3x squared minus 12x plus 6 equals 0. Now, I haven't said this. Yes?
No, go ahead.
Oh, I haven't said this, but you know what? This works out so much easier when a equals 1.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So now if you look at this thing, can I factor out a 3 out of everything?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out a 3. By the way, I'm looking and I see some of you guys writing down, some of you guys are just enthralled with my teaching. I realize I have that effect on people, but please make sure that you write all this down. So this should be this, right? Right? If I pull that 3 out, if I factor the 3 out, the stuff in the parentheses is this stuff, right? Okay. So then what I would do is I would divide everything by 3. These cancel and I get x squared minus 4x plus 2 equals, hey, what's 0 divided by 3?
0.
Zero. All right, so now at this point, what's the next step? I'm going to minus 2 from both sides.
Mm-hmm.
And then I get x squared minus 4x is equal to negative 2. Now, the next part of the algorithm is I'm going to add b over 2 squared to both sides. So b is equal to negative 4. b over 2 is 4 over 2, or negative 4 over 2, which is really negative 2. And then b over 2 squared is negative 2 squared, or 4. Does that make sense? But I'm going to write it this way just to kind of let you guys think it through here. Minus 4, so I'm going to add negative 4 plus negative 4 over 2 squared. So and then my next line, I've got x squared minus 4x plus, if I reduce that, it's negative 2 squared minus 2 plus negative 2 squared. Let's separate this so you guys don't get confused. So then in the next line, I've got x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals negative 2 plus 4. Now this will factor into x and minus 2. In other words, this is x minus 2 squared. Then over here on the other side, I've got a positive 2. Now, don't get scared. You're going to get x minus 2 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 2. So then what's your answer? Your answer is going to be positive 2, because we're going to add 2 to both sides. Positive 2 plus the square root of 2, or 2 minus the square root of 2. Okay?